What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Beatbox video series. Today, we will be taking a look at altcoins, more specifically to the altcoin basket index, which is conformed by the ticker Others. Others is comprehended by all of the altcoins, excluding the top 10 market cap coins. So it's basically some large caps to mid caps and small caps altcoins. And why we'll be taking a look at this today, it's because I think we have some bullish edge on the chart, and I think it's another index for the long-weighted altcoin season that we've been talking about in this channel for the past 2 weeks or so. So diving straight into the chart, this is the ticker Others, and what I want you guys to pay attention to is to the MACD histogram here. What we're currently seeing is a hidden bullish divergence, which is a continuation divergence in opposition to most common divergences where they'll sign a reversion. Hidden divergences usually give a clue of the continuation of a trend. So we have a bullish trend here with higher highs and higher lows, and we have this hidden bullish divergence that's developing on the 3-day time frame, which is basically implying that we will see higher prices on this ticker. How is the divergence conformed? Well, you have a low here on the negative momentum of the histogram, and you have a lower low, which means it had increased negative momentum on the histogram. And on the other side, you have price, you have a higher low, and then another higher low regarding to this low. So basically, you did a lower low on the histogram, and you did a higher low on price, which means that sellers tried their best. They did a lot of negative momentum on the market, and they couldn't push price into a lower low than the previous low, and it basically resulted in a higher low. So that's the divergence that's building on right now. You can also appreciate it on total 3. We'll take a look at that right away, but I just wanted you guys to appreciate how this ticker is looking right now. I'll throw some fib retracements here because I think this asset's really bullish. And you have this divergence here. It'll probably keep grinding up. If we continue to lose this negative momentum, it'll soon turn into positive momentum here, and it'll start propelling these assets into higher prices. Most likely target short term is the 0.786 fib retracement, and then the full retracement, and most possibly the 1618 for some market euphoria. And if things get really frothy, you can see the 2.618 at around 1.1 trillion for this asset market cap, and we're currently just sitting below 300 billion. So you can take a wild guess where your altcoins are going. I just wanted to share you guys this hidden bullish divergence. I think is really nice on the 3-day. It's on a significant time scale. The 3-day time frame is stronger than the 1-day because it's a higher time frame. It's not as strong as the weekly for sure, but I think it's worth noting. And if you go to total 3, you can see exactly the same setup here. You have a lower low and negative momentum and a higher high on price. So it's basically building up mostly across large caps, mid caps, and small cap altcoins. And some fib targets too for total 3 would be 1.6 trillion for the 1.618 and 2.5 trillion for the 2.618 fib retracement or expanding targets. You can appreciate there the hidden bullish divergence as well. the continuation divergence. So I think we'll see higher prices within these two tickers. On the short term, target, it's the around 953 billion at the 0.786 fib retracement level. This is also confluence with the Bitcoin dominance chart that we've been talking about, this bearish divergence that's finally starting to play out. You saw this higher highs on price. I've been telling you guys that the 57% resisting areas is quite strong. Everyone's been talking about 60% um, target. There's too much consensus for the 60% to play out, in my opinion. I think the 57% resistance area is quite strong for the time being. And given the divergence playing out now, you have just this decreasing positive momentum on the MACD histogram on the 3-day, while grinding up to higher prices. It gave me a signal of buyer exhaustion, and I think we'll see around 50% on BTCD in the following weeks and months. And once we reach here, we'll see what the market's currently developing, if we have some edge or not. But if we lose 50%, then you guess where we basically go into another low, take out probably 48, and then some, and see how the market goes. But for the time being, BTCD looks bearish still. I thought we were also going to go a little bit for a higher push, but you just see this double bearish divergence on the play out right now and starting to build negative momentum again. So that's going to be it for me today, guys. I hope you liked the video. Always remember to subscribe, like, give me a comment on what you like to see next. And remember that I'll be doing live streams every day, Monday through Friday at 6 p.m. EST. I cover everything crypto, traditional markets, and I do TA on your favorite coins. So thanks for tuning in, and I see you guys on the next time.